Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to restore the classic right-click context menu in Windows 11. So let's get started. First, click on the Start button and type CMD in the search bar. Now, right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. If the User Account Control window appears, click Yes to continue. Once Command Prompt opens, copy and paste the following command: reg.exe add hkcu/software/classes/CLSID parentheses 86C1AA0-348A-5009-50C9-05BA2A2 close parentheses /inproc server32/F/VE. Now press Enter on your keyboard. After a few seconds, you should see a message confirming that the registry operation completed successfully. The next step is to restart Windows Explorer so the changes take effect. Right-click on the Start button and select Task Manager. In the Processes tab, scroll down or use the search box to find Windows Explorer. Once you find it, right-click on Windows Explorer and click Restart. Your taskbar and desktop may briefly disappear and then reload. This is completely normal. And that's it. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, then subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any new updates.